My initial plan was to come to Australia for a one-year adventure. At the time, I never thought 6 years later I'd still be calling Sydney home, become an Australian citizen or have married an Australian. But life has an extraordinary way of pulling you into unexpected directions. I'm currently a Senior Civil Engineer in the rail team at Aurecon. Based in Sydney, life is very different from Rush, a seaside town in North County Dublin. It was my love for travel and seeing new places that led me down under. When I arrived, I backpacked around Australia and even did some farm work for 3 months. Aurecon appealed to me because it's a global company that offers plenty of room to grow and develop as an engineer. When I first started with Aurecon, I worked within the telecommunications unit and have since moved across to the infrastructure group, where I get to work on exciting multidisciplinary projects. I love the versatility. I'm never bored and I'm always kept on my toes. No two projects are the same and no day is the same. I've just finished working on Newcastle Interchange project. This is an exciting project for the regional city, providing better connectivity between the city centre and the harbour foreshore for the community. I'm thrilled to be a part of it, as it's leaving behind these kind of legacies that make our jobs so rewarding. I get to work with some pretty incredible people from all corners of the world. We have a really supportive and friendly work culture, and I've built lifelong friendships here that extend outside of work. From sporting to social activities, being able to meet so many different people obviously helps when you move here as an expat. There is so much to see and do in Sydney. From festivals to outdoor activities, this city gives me a chance to stay active, enjoy the outdoors and spend more time doing things I love. I do a lot of outdoor activities with friends, including boot camp through work, although it's pretty hard to talk during exercise. My friends and my colleagues continue to inspire me to do the best I can. There are a lot of exciting rail projects in Australia and emerging technologies that play an interesting part in our future ahead. 6 years ago, I would never have guessed that I would be doing what I do now, in a place that continues to surprise me, with its excellent parks, beautiful harbour and stunning beaches. The journey has been epic so far.